Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. I'm back with another spooky video. We are still in the month of Halloween, so your girl is wearing all of her favorite Halloween sweaters and t-shirts and just enjoying the Halloween festivities for the season of October. We love fall, we love October. So I'm embracing the seasons, and I love Christmas too. Totally different, opposite holidays, but your girl's embracing. Today she got her bat t-shirt on and her bat errands. Let's get into today's unboxing. We have the Boxycharm Base Box. This box is kind of heavy, which means there's probably a whole bunch of skincare in here that your girl don't want. But I mean, we know Boxycharm has been giving a lot of skincare lately. But nevertheless, if you guys want to see what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so as always, I just want to take the time out to welcome anyone new who has stumbled across your girl's channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. Thank you for stopping by. Your girl loves makeup, which is why she does so many makeup subscription unboxings on her channel. She likes to try new stuff, and this is a great way to try new stuff, but for a cheaper price than buying everything full price. We love to do makeup unboxings on here, as far as like makeup hauls. We also do makeup mystery unboxings. I recently just bought the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I bought all 3 of them, of course, as per usual. So super excited for those boxes to come on down and come to mama. I had to buy them. So if you guys like stuff like that, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And let's dig in. Alrighty guys, so this is the Boxycharm Base Box. This retails for $25. And I have some news for you guys. I canceled my Boxycharm Premium box. I canceled it because, like, I don't know, I have a lot of boxes. You guys know I have, and I subscribe to like 2 new ones, but if I'm not like 100% happy with the boxes I'm getting, I'm not going to keep them just to have content on the channel. I want to pay for things that like I'm happy to unbox. And Boxycharm used to be my favorite, absolute favorite makeup subscription unboxing, but now I should call them a skincare subscription unboxing box, because it's just been mostly skincare. And like I said to you in the past couple of videos, if you saw my video that I posted where I showed you like all of like my excess skincare that I don't use on a daily, like you see, I don't need any more skincare. And for a while I actually wanted to cancel. I didn't know if I should cancel my base or my premium, but I wanted to cancel one because it's just becoming skincare overload. So I said, you know what, I'll keep the base box since it stayed $25. The premium box went up $4. So what, it was $35, so $36, $37, $38, $39. Yes, it was like $39 that it went up. Sorry, I had to count for a second. Yes, it was $4 is not a lot. And obviously money's not an issue if I just spent like $430 something on me getting mystery boxes, the Jeffree Star mystery boxes today. The money is not the issue. The issue is I don't mind paying the money if I'm getting stuff that I want. But if I'm getting a lot of stuff that I'm not using, that I'm just, you know, having to give away, then it takes the fun out of it. And I know subscription unboxings, you're not going to know what you're going to get, but it shouldn't be like mostly skincare. So let's hope this box ain't all skincare, because this box is feeling kind of heavy. They said that the boxes went up because they want to add more name brand things to the box. So we'll see. I saw the choices for the premium for November, and it didn't look like anything spectacular, so I don't really feel too bad for unsubscribing to that. I kept this, and we'll see if I'll stay or not, but I didn't cancel both of them. This box, like I said, stayed the same. The Lux Pride box went up. It was already like $50, which was just a lot. Now it was even more, so I've seen a lot of people cancel their boxes. What do you guys think about all these price changes that's going on? I feel like everybody's having price changes, but I don't, like I said, I don't mind. Ipsy's prices went up, and I kept my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because I actually like the stuff I've been getting. Like I said, I don't mind, but you gotta give the people what they want. And you get to pick 3 of your items from Ipsy Plus. This, you don't get to pick 3 items, so we'll see. Enough with the girls rambling. Let's just dig in. When you open the box, this is what it looks like. So right on top, it looks like something that I have already. It says Niacinamide Dewdrops. I think, yes, I already have this already. So let me, it's already sealed, but I think this is the same thing. Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. Yes, I own this already. So save this for a giveaway. I'm starting another giveaway already for like when I hit, let me see, 2,000 subscribers. So we're gonna look into this box and see. Hopefully it's not all skincare and we get some makeup in here. Had I not had this already, I definitely would have loved to get this because I love all of Glow Recipes items. So I'll be honest about that. Like anything Glow Recipe, I keep because I love this stuff. It actually works. Well, look at this card for the month of October. It says Spellbound. And it has the prices. So that Niacinamide Dewdrops was $34. So that one thing way surpassed the price of the box. So it made it worth it. Now, I do have a makeup item in here. I was hoping I got this palette. Now, I absolutely love Ace Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I didn't ever try any of their palettes before prior to getting Boxycharm. I bought a lot of their palettes in when they had like the pop-up or add-on sales, and I fell in love with their palettes. Their palettes they always have good color schemes and they're super pigmented. So I'm very happy about this. The packaging on this palette is just, it's stunning. It is stunning. I love the fall vibes. You guys already know I'm a fall baby, so we're here for anything fall. So this is the palette here. I love the colors. The colors are amazing. I definitely will wear this palette very soon. Love, love, love this palette. Oh, I just put my hands in the palette. Loved it that much. So let's see how much that palette was. That palette was $34. It says this is actually a new launch from Ace Beauty. So that's cool that they're putting stuff in here that's like brand new, so you know you don't have it. Alright, so the next thing I got is, it says Jelly's Beauty Double Side Wing Stamp Eyeliner. I've gotten a couple of these from other brands and I definitely didn't think it works. To be honest, I don't have a problem doing a wing liner. I'm not bragging, but I am in the beauty industry, so I learned how to do that very early into the game, so I wouldn't need that, but I do like the actual like tip of this. And let's see, I think it has a stamp on the other end. This has a stamp for people who don't know how to use it, but I feel like the stamps never work. That's just my opinion only, don't come for me. I'm entitled to have an opinion, but I feel like they at least for me at least. But this is from Jelly's Beauty. Jelly's Beauty? I hope I said that right. I've never heard of the brand. See, that's the thing. They said that prices go up because we're going to get more name brand things, but that ain't name brand. Even though the prices didn't go up with this box, like, they've been getting a lot of indie stuff in their boxes, I feel. So let's see. The next thing is a brow gel by Tint. It says a lash and brow duo. So let's see here. That's the brow tint. It looks like it's a chocolate brown. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. It's like a chocolate brown. And then let's see the other side. Clear brow gel, there's no color. I mean, I could use that. So far we got 3 makeup items. So not so shabby, not anything that I'm dying to try. I'm dying to try this though. The next thing I got is a bunch of makeup wipes from Julie Beauty. It says Pore Refining with Witch Hazel. This is what they look like. The wipes say that they're 100% biodegradable, so I do like that because they say makeup wipes are bad for the earth, so loves this. And that's everything. So I actually only got one skincare thing, so the box wasn't too bad, but like I said, it was nothing really like a makeup name brand that's like appealing to me. We know beggars can't be choosers when it comes to subscription unboxes, so it is what it is. But I will definitely be using this palette for sure. So I would give this box a 6 out of 10. It was okay. It was just okay. It was nothing, you know, spectacular. I'm sorry to say. That's my opinion, in my opinion only. I'm gonna do another video right after this. You guys know I normally film 2 to 3 videos a day. I finally got my Ipsy PR box in the mail. It's the Glam Bag Plus and a Glam Bag. It came in this saran thing, which is really weird. And in the back it says, received in damaged condition. So if you guys want to know what I got in my Ipsy PR box, and hopefully let's pray nothing is damaged, then watch my next video. And that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.